Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Jai Sri Ram. Hello everyone, my name is Gyanendra Kumar. I am biology educator in India. In this video, we will discuss what is gustatory receptor. Gustatory receptor means taste receptors. Yes, is taste receptors. Okay, fine. This taste receptors, we all know these taste receptors are present on our tongue. They are present in the soft palate. They are present in the some part of even pharynx also. Like you see the tongue, you will observe that in tongue so many small protruded structures are present. These small bump like protruded structures are called papillae. This papillae, this papillae are four types. First, filiform papillae. Filiform papillae. Second, fungiform papillae. Then foliate papillae, and then last one is circumvallate papillae. Filiform papillae, yes. Filiform papillae is most abundant in number. They are smallest in size and they don't have taste bud. Fungiform papillae is second most abundant and they have taste bud. Taste bud is present in fungiform papillae. Then foliate papillae is not present in human, and then we have circumvallate papillae, which is largest papillae you see is present in this region, and this largest papillae have lot of taste buds. Now, in this papillae, taste buds are present. These taste buds have sensory cells, and that sensory cells has receptor for taste. Yeah, they have receptors for taste. Taste bud, taste bud have, taste bud have, I mean, or taste bud have sensory cells, and sensory cells have again receptors. Fine. Now we will see structure of taste bud in detail. So see, this is our tongue. Okay, this is our tongue, and in tongue this is taste bud, and when you'll see in the microscope, taste bud will be like this. In this taste bud you can see they have some cells, receptor cells. Fine. The food you eat, it will mix with the saliva. If it will come here, and that chemical, it will diffuse here in the taste bud. In this taste bud, this all receptor cells, they are forming some hair like, they are forming one small pit like structure. This pit like structure is called taste pit. Through this taste pit only, the chemical you eat, that will diffuse. Now the chemical you eat, that can be salty in taste. Why salty in taste? Because body detect sodium in there. Salty food, sodium will be detected by body. Then it can be sweet also in taste. So body actually detect that all kind of sugars, like glucose, like lactose, like galactose and all. Or it can be sour also in taste. So body detect acids there, like the lactic acid present, citric acid present. So that acids detected by our body, the acid is detected by our tongue. Or it can be even bitter also, in the bitter taste, like if it is caffeine, or if it is nicotine, or if it is quinine, or if it is spoiled food, that will be detected by, that will be, that have bitter taste, and it will be detected. And then we have one more taste, umami. This umami detect by meaty taste. It is meaty taste detected by our taste buds. Meaty taste, in meaty taste especially they will detect glutamate. They will detect glutamate amino acid present in that food, that they will detect. So these all are the 5 taste detected by our taste receptor cells. In in one taste bud, see, in one taste bud many receptors are present, and one receptor cell can detect only one type of taste. But in one taste bud many taste can be detected. Fine. Okay, fine. Now when we will see the what is mechanism of detection of taste here, is interesting. The food stuff which will come here, they will interact with the taste bud cells. receptor cells, they will interact, and after that this receptor cells have the G protein receptors. They bind with the G protein receptors, and then it will get depolarized. Okay, and after depolarization of this receptor cells, yeah, so receptor cells will get depolarized, and then at the end of this receptor cells, they are interacting with 7, 9 and 10th cranial nerve. They are interacting with 7th, 9th and 10th cranial nerve, and it's going to depolarize our their neuron actually. That afferent neuron which will come here, there that neuron will depolarize, and then they will take this all information to the brain. In brain, actually in brain stem, there is one area that is called saltatory nucleus of the brain stem. So this all information will go to saltatory nucleus of the brain. From saltatory nucleus of the brain, by the help of second order neuron, it will be projected to the thalamus. Yeah, thalamus, or it will be projected to hypothalamus and medulla. And medulla, yes. From saltatory nucleus it will be projected to thalamus, or I mean the and or hypothalamus and medulla. From the thalamus, it can projected to further higher center of the taste present in cerebrum. Higher center of taste in cerebrum. Okay, by third order of neuron. From hypothalamus and medulla, this is the region, who will control salivation, or gagging, or vomiting, and that kind of satisfaction behavior or food behavior during eating. So in this video we discussed what is taste receptors and how they work. Remaining we'll see in next video. Bye.